I'm proud to be here in Hong Kong, in Olimpian City, to bring to you this new exhibition about Leonardo da Vinci. We have also tried to hang here in the center of this big hall one of the biggest flying machines ever built by Leonardo da Vinci. It's almost 12 meters wide. It is the Eagle, the mechanical Eagle of Leonardo, the real flying machine of Leonardo. And you will discover here in this exhibition that you can see the model on the top is very high, is more than 10 meters height.
就係阿 Mario 首先要將成隻鷹做好咗個 structure 先嘅，做完咗個 structure 之後咧，而家就要做啲微調，微調完之後咧，仲要再捆繩，捆完繩之後咧，就要吊高大約1米高，就再做一啲 refine， 完成咗之後咧，先能夠正式升起隻 Flying Eagle 嘅。Mario 咧對啲木條個要求好高嘅，佢嗰個要求高唔單止係嗰個木嘅質料啦。 而係因為好多斜角咧，佢係要好直嘅，嗰條直線係要。咁所以其實佢嘅木咧就唔係用死力嘅，係要用好陰柔嘅力。咁嗰條斜角線咧先至會直。同意大利人合作就已經係文化上一個好大嘅衝擊啦。即係無論喺生活上啊、飲食上啊、工作上嘅時間啊，我原先諗係好唔同嘅。 當然 Dr. Mario 曾經去世界各地做咗10幾個呢啲展覽喺過去嘅10年，咁所以佢係有啲似香港人嘅範圍。佢唔係我所諗嘅意大利人一個星期做4日半夜啦，每日朝9晚5啦。咁譬如第一日一落到場嘅時候咧，其實個 schedule 我哋本身係講緊朝早9點到夜晚8點嘅啫。咁但係第一晚咧，我哋已經做到凌晨1點鐘啦，但係佢係完全冇問題嘅。咁所以我覺得。 唔關國籍事，其實係人對自己本身嗰個工作同出嚟成品嘅要求嘅一種態度。所以呢個我係覺得好開心能夠同阿 Dr. Mario 合作嘅。呢個其實最主要咧就打喺個頭上邊，咁用嚟控制當個頭轉嚟轉去嘅時候咧，咁其實個飛行器就會跟住佢嘅轉向，所以其實就係一個方向嘅 control 嚟。
It's tired. I'm tired. It's 1 o'clock in the night. 成個 set up 嘅困難地方，其實係喺未 set up 之前，由傾到籌備到落到現場，都係不停發生好多我哋諗住唔係問題嘅問題。不過呢個我都慣㗎啦，做展覽就係咁㗎啦。同埋人就係要最擅長就係要解決問題啊嘛。可以話辛苦，但係同樣都係樂趣嚟嘅，有一個挑戰嚟嘅。 We have a great team that works all together during the night also. We work so much that also everything is on place and we are ready to open in the next days. I want to thank you every people that works at here because they work hard also day and night, 24 hours to be able to reach this incredible and beautiful exhibition. 而家2019年嘅12月3號，聽日咧4號。 就係呢一個 Leonardo Da Vinci 500週年嘅展覽嘅 kick off 啦。咁而家咧就係10點半鐘，晚上我講緊係。咁啊，因為有個 Flying Eagle 咧，因為我同阿 Mario 都想盡量令到佢再自然啲，同埋令到佢更加像真啲。咁所以我哋決定咧喺開幕之前咧，都係要做一啲 final touch up 嘅。咁就要綁翻晒啲麻繩啦。有幾多地方要綁啊？基本上係而家。 我望住嘅翼嘅前方，由頭綁到尾，左右兩邊，希望2個鐘內完成啦。係啦。You can find all these works also in Milan. We have the Museum Leonardo da Vinci in Milan, in Piazza Scala. We have hundreds of machines, and we would love to share with you, with Hong Kong, some of these models and some of these software. So we bring from Milan for our museums. These pieces of exhibition, and we will change day by day and week by week. You will find also new models here because the space is little, but the models are more. So we will bring more models here, so you can see and stay here more than one day. And if you discover the software, you will understand that all our research that we provide to the people to understand how this machine works. But most important part is that you will find the real codex of Leonardo. You will find a way to, you can try to read Leonardo da Vinci directly from his manuscript.
the famous code of Leonardo da Vinci. It's not only one, there are many codices of Leonardo, and you will find some answers here. Of course, there are also the beautiful and very funny games for children, but also adults will find a big source of information to understand how the mind of a genius can work. And this is very important because today we have too many things of technology and we are used by technology. If you learn the mind of Leonardo in this exhibition using the software, you will understand that there is a rule that lets you use technology, not to be used. This is very important to become the new true Leonardo.
嗱，當然大家一齊都有去過意大利睇 LV 嘅展館啦。咁其實一定大家都會知道好唔同嘅原因，因為場地啦、空間啦、光線啦、資源上啦，咁其實唔會一模一樣。而我亦都覺得冇需要一模一樣。原因就係因為落到嚟香港呢個地方要有喺香港做嘅一種特色，而配合翻現場嘅環境。呢一個展覽嘅題目想像達文西500週年。其實個想字呢一個象形文字，其實個想字入邊包含咗3個象形文字啦，木啦，樹木個木，眼睛個木同一個心。其實呢3個中文字咧都係象形文字嚟嘅。而呢3個象形文字組合咗出嚟嘅時候咧，分開咗上下2個部分。上面我哋叫相，下邊一個心。相咧就係講緊一個人用隻眼去睇一棵樹，就係講緊觀察，就係 observation。呢個就係達文西嘅智慧入邊其中一樣好重要嘅元素嚟嘅，因為佢通過觀察大自然好多唔同嘅水啊、空氣啊、動物啊、人啊、植物啊，種種唔同嘅動態，而產生到一個叫 observation。咁所以其實呢個範圍令到我會覺得今次由意大利帶到過嚟嘅時候咧，好唔同啦，因為意大利可能係意大利文或者英文。而相對落到嚟香港，我哋做咗一個中文題目嘅展覽嘅時候咧，單淨係呢個想字咧，代表到達文西嘅一個思想核心價值。
We thanks all the people that are involved. Hong Kong creates Olimpian City and all the sponsors that made this possible. And for sure, the most important part is that we think the family that will bring here the children that will become the new Leonardo in the future.